feeling of excitement when you got your first car? The freedom, the possibilities, the open road just waiting to be explored. Well, for many of us in the car business, helping people experience that feeling is what drives us. But lately, with the rising interest rates, tighter loan terms, and economic uncertainty, it's getting harder for people to turn that dream into reality. First up, let's talk financing. Rising interest rates can make buying a vehicle seem out of reach. Higher interest rates may mean higher monthly payments, squeezing household budgets and potentially forcing buyers to reconsider their purchase altogether. Here's where leasing comes in. As a valuable option, leasing often results in lower monthly payments than financing, making it easier for customers to manage their budgets. Expanding your leasing offerings to include pre-owned vehicles with varying terms and mileage options can allow you to enter a wider range of customers. Effective sales begins with understanding buyers' needs, recognizing that affordability goes beyond the price. It's also about maintenance, repairs, trade-in value, fuel costs, and overall ownership expense. Explore flexible financing and deal structure to ease the burden. Get creative. Finally, let's not forget the hassles of unexpected repair costs. This is where affordable protection plans like vehicle service contracts and maintenance packages safeguard customers against financial setbacks. Give some consideration to these essential tools and strategies and shift with the market to keep your dealership ahead. In turn, this empowers your customers to confidently cruise towards car ownership. Times are bumpy right now for both your customers and your dealership. But remember, even bumpy rides can be manageable with the right music and snacks. Connect with me today and let's talk about your specific business needs and turn those bumps into opportunities to refuel and get back on the road to possibilities.